amazing bubbles that we blew today. In case you want to try this at home, here's the recipe. You start with 15 cups of water. Tablespoons of the blue Dawn dish soap. And then 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Two tablespoons of rubbing alcohol. Whoops. And then you need 1 teaspoon of Gar Gum. We found ours on Amazon, but you can probably find it in like health food stores or maybe the health food aisle of some regular stores. And that goes in there. And then you're just gonna mix it all up and it should get nice and thick. The directions we saw said to leave it for 24 hours before you blow the bubbles. So you can see this is camping day, not bubble day, so we're doing it the night before, but we already tried it and we've gotten some pretty cool stuff.